Do you have a big dream in your heart, but you feel stuck? You see other people succeeding, and you feel like you are standing still. Your dream feels too big, and you feel too small.
Most people fail because they try to jump to the top of the mountain in one day. But today, we are going to show you the 1% rule, a way to make your dream inevitable, using steps so tiny they are impossible to fail.
If you turn off this video now, you might spend another year just wishing for a better life. Stay with us for the next 30 minutes and let's turn your one day into today. Ellen, let's give them something they can use right now. No waiting.
Absolutely. Here is the secret, the 5-minute rule. If you want to learn English or start a business or run a marathon, do not look at the big mountain. Just look at the next 5 minutes.
Exactly. For example, if your dream is to speak English fluently, don't worry about the whole year. Just say, I will listen to English for 5 minutes while I drink my coffee. That's it.
When the step is small, your brain doesn't get scared. A big dream scares the brain. A 5-minute goal makes the brain feel safe. That is how you start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Talk English podcast. I am your host, John.
And I am Ellen. We are so happy you are here with us today.
This is the place where we help you grow your English and grow your life at the same time. We know that learning a language is not just about grammar, it's about your life and your future.
Before we go deep into our topic today, dreams and goals, we have a small request. If you want to improve your English every week and stay motivated, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It helps our channel, and it helps you never miss a lesson.
Yes, being part of this community means we walk together. Now, Ellen, let's talk about why we are here. Dreams. It's a beautiful word, but it can be heavy sometimes, right?
It can. A dream is like a beautiful bird in your hand. If you hold it too tight, it gets hurt. If you hold it too loose, it flies away. You need to find the right balance.
Ellen, you said earlier that dreams and goals are different. I want to explore that more. Some people say, John, I have a dream to be rich, or I have a dream to speak perfect English. Is that enough?
No, John, that is a wish, not a plan. Let's look at the dream first. A dream is your why. It is the big picture in your head. It's the feeling of standing on a stage or traveling to London. It gives you energy.
Okay, so the dream is the fuel for the car.
Exactly, but a car with only fuel doesn't move. It needs an engine and a road. That is the goal. A goal is specific. It has a time and an action.
Let's give an example. A dream is, I want to be healthy. A goal is, I will walk for 10 minutes today at 5 p.m. See the difference? One is a feeling, one is a fact.
Yes, and beginners often make a big mistake. They set goals that are too big. They say, I will study English for 3 hours every day.
Oh, I know that one. On Monday, they study for 3 hours. On Tuesday, they are tired. On Wednesday, they stop.
Exactly, because 3 hours is a mountain, but 10 minutes is a step. You can always do 10 minutes, even if you are tired, even if you are busy. You can find 10 minutes.
I remember my own struggle. When I started learning to play the guitar, I wanted to play like a rock star in 1 week. I failed. I cried. I wanted to throw the guitar away.
What changed?
I changed my mindset. I said, John, your goal is not a concert. Your goal is just to put your fingers on the strings for 5 minutes today. That was 3 years ago. Now I can play.
That is a perfect story. You respected the small step.
Ellen, let's go deeper into this action anchor idea. You said it's like a ship's anchor, but how do we build one if we are very busy people with jobs and children?
This is a great question. We all have natural anchors in our lives. These are things we do every day without thinking. We drink water, we put on our shoes, we check our phones, we wait for the bus.
So we can use these moments?
Yes, we call this habit stacking. You take your new English goal and you put it on top of an old habit.
Give me a real-life example for a beginner.
Okay, let's say you take the train to work. That is your old habit. Your new goal is to learn 5 new words. So you tell yourself, when I sit down on the train, I will open my vocabulary app. The train seat is the anchor.
I love that. My anchor is my morning coffee. I love my coffee. So while the coffee is getting hot, I listen to one English song and try to understand the words.
That's perfect. It's not work, it's just part of your morning.
Let's pause for a second. I want to talk to you, the listener.
Yes, you, the person with the headphones or the phone right now.
Think about your day. What is one habit you already have? Maybe drinking tea, walking the dog, or cooking dinner. How can you add 5 minutes of English to that habit? Write it in the comments. Say, my anchor is habit, and I will English action.
We really want to see your ideas. Maybe your idea will help someone else. And while you are typing, please hit the like button if you feel motivated. It helps us keep the Talk English podcast free for everyone.
It really does. Your like is like a small thank you to us, and we appreciate it so much.
John, let's talk about the hard part again. The people who don't believe in us. I call them the gray people.
Why gray people?
Because they have no color in their own dreams. They are bored or they are afraid. When they see you trying to learn English or change your life, it makes them feel uncomfortable.
I see. It reminds them that they are not moving. So they try to stop you so they can feel better.
Exactly. They might say, John, your accent is bad. Why do you try? Or, Ellen, you are 40 years old. You can't learn a new language now.
That can be so painful. It can make you want to hide your dream.
And maybe you should. Sometimes it is good to keep your dream secret at the beginning. It's like a small fire. If the wind is too strong, the fire goes out. You need to protect the fire until it is big and strong.
So you don't have to tell everyone your goals?
No, only tell people who will give you wood for your fire. Tell your teacher, tell your best friend who also wants to grow, or share it here in our Talk English community.
What if the dream killer is inside us? You know, that voice that says, I made a mistake again. I am so stupid.
We need to change the language we use with ourselves. Instead of saying, I am stupid, say, I am learning. Instead of saying, I failed, say, I am practicing.
In English, we call this positive self-talk. It's very simple, but it changes your brain.
Think of a baby learning to walk. Does the baby fall? Yes, many times. Does the baby say, oh, I am a failure. I will never walk?
No, of course not. The baby just gets up and tries again.
We need to be like that baby. A beginner in English is a language baby. It is okay to fall. It is okay to have a bad accent. The only way to fail is to stop getting up.
We have talked about the 1% rule. We talked about action anchors and dream killers. But Ellen, before we go, what is the most important thing to remember?
The most important thing is that you are enough. Many beginners think they need to be perfect to start, but you don't. You can start with broken English. You can start with a small dream.
Yes, the world doesn't need perfect English. The world needs your story. The world needs your ideas.
So don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is a ghost. It doesn't exist. There is only now.
I agree. Now for our final challenge. This is the most important part of the podcast.
Open the comments right now. We want to hear from you. Write this. I am, name, from, country, my dream is, dream, and I am for my dream.
When you write, I am for my dream, you are making a promise to yourself. You are saying you will not be a dream killer for yourself.
We really do read these. I remember a comment from a student named Carlos last month. He said he was too afraid to speak. Then he started doing 5 minutes a day. Last week, he sent us a message saying he had his first conversation in English.
That makes me so happy. That is why we do the Talk English podcast.
If you want to help Carlos and people like him, please share this video. Send it to your WhatsApp group, your Facebook, or your friends. Let's grow this community of dreamers together.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your ears. And thank you for your heart.
Keep your direction. Take your tiny steps. And remember, we are cheering for you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.